any specifics about what those disputes involved. The mental community's reaction was immediate shock and disgust. Former
It is way too early to be awake. I just got here to the El Santa Run at Mission County Park. 6:45, it starts at 7 a.m. It's way too early, but let's get it.
Y'all, this is our last run. Y'all give it up for our last run, y'all. Yeah. As you guys are doing those hip rotations, all right, I like to talk and make sure that you guys are also doing it. Right here, who's done every single race here? Raise your hand. Oh, y'all.
Izzy, how was the shoot?
Oh man, it was great.
Yeah? What was so good about it?
The last of the year. Finally, it's over.
Well, I feel like it was great. I feel like the weather was crisp. The Chicago Bears won yesterday, so I already woke up in a great mood.
Who are the Chicago Bears?
Who are the
Me and this fucking guy over here just shot El Santa Run. A lot of fun. Although Izzy was slacking off the whole time. Well, that was fun. We just shot the last race of the Andiamo race series, El Santa Run. It was a lot of fun. Everybody seemed to have a lot of fun. Everybody was dressed up. It was really nice, and it wasn't as cold as I thought it was going to be, so, oh yeah.